Righty, part two. So it's been just over an hour or so, and I'm waiting for the next lot of transmissions from the ISS space station, International Space Station. They will be transmitting slow scan TV picture signal on 145.800. I can kind of just hear them at the moment. Let's have a look where they are at the moment. So, yep, there they are. It's flying up towards. I can hear a signal right now, but it's just about to fly up to Australia. It's going to skim through. Looks like through South Australia and top end of Sydney, sort of bottom end of Queensland. And I am receiving a signal. Hopefully, it's going to be better this time. Let's get that up. Okay, all right. Definitely something coming through, but a lot of fading, no full whitening on the signal, as you can hear. All right, it's just finished that load of transmissions, so we'll wait for the next load of transmissions, and hopefully that'll be a lot stronger. Let's just check to see where the space station is at the moment. So yeah, there it is. It's almost coming above Australia. Let's have a look at what speed it's travelling at. Turn that down. It's travelling at 27,534 kilometers an hour. Geez, that's pretty fast. Very fast. So let's see what happens in the next lot of transmissions. Okay, here we go. We're getting a really nice signal now. It is 4:58, and I think we're going to have a pretty much perfect picture. Wow, here we go. Look at that. And it is in Russian. From the International Space Station, it's flying right over pretty much now. Not right over, but that is pretty much a crystal clear picture. There you go, look at that. That is fantastic. Not a bad signal, about an S5, not full quieting. Let's have a look at where the satellite is now. It is. There it is. Just coming up sort of like over us. Not right over us, but wow, incredible. Wow, that's a really good picture. Absolutely fantastic. And it is written in Russian, so this is coming directly from the ISS in space. And that is pretty much a crystal clear picture. That's amazing. Oh, it's starting to fade a little bit of fading on the signal. Where is it now? Okay. I'm hoping the next round will be even better, because it'll be kind of like... Let's have a look. What do we got? There we go. It's fantastic. Alright, that's 3 out of 12. We'll turn that down. And we'll wait for the next lot of transmissions to come through. And hopefully the next lot will be a lot better. It's fantastic. Let's check it out. Where's the satellite now? Oh, not satellite, sorry. The space station now. And as you can see, it is, yeah, kind of like... It's going to skim past South Australia. ACT sort of, yeah. Not really so much Melbourne, but yeah, it's kind of almost over the top of us. So we'll see what happens to the next lot of transmissions. Hopefully they're going to be even better. Okay, here we go. we've got the next lot of transmissions, and the time is 5:02 AM. I should be asleep, but I wanted to stay up for this. And the satellite is, there you go, it's just about to skim over Australia and go over to North America. But let's see what we're getting now. It's not very clear. Okay, here we go. It says, thank you, Mr. Satellite. Also in Russian. Oopsie daisy. Russian. Yeah, it's Russian. ISS. Oh. Oh, shit. There we go. Wow, that's not a bad picture. It's about an S5. There we go. Wow. That is a pretty good picture. That's pretty much perfect compared to the last lot of transmissions we had. That's fantastic. You can zoom in a little bit. There you go, people. Directly from the space station. Wow, what a fantastic picture. Okay, that's 4 out of 12. And let's have a look and see where the International Space Station is at the moment. It's just about to fly pretty much away from Australia. It'll go down through North America. Yeah, probably fly over again, but yeah, probably won't get the best signal from it. But yeah, there you go. We'll see if we can get a picture in the next lot of transmissions, but I doubt it very much. It'll be very clear. There you go, 145.800, the 2 meter VHF band. Yeah, very, very impressive. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm not getting any more signals coming through. Where is the space station now? There we go. As you can see, it's just oh yeah, I can hear it in the background, but very faint. So it's just moving away from Australia now, and it'll go over to North America. So yeah, I think that's enough fun for me. It's 5:07 AM. It's enough fun for one morning, or one night too. I stayed up for this, but yeah, it was worthwhile anyway. It's fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's a great hobby. If anybody is thinking of playing around with slow scan TV, it's absolutely fantastic. I recommend anybody getting into it. It's a lot of fun. So take care all. Thanks for watching. Have a good morning or good night. Bye bye.